Hunter, and this is Minty Garage, where I'm going to show you some really fucked up shit and some really baller shit. Wouldn't you know it, we got one more day before we trade this thing in for something. We're trading it tomorrow. We're getting something a little bit special, new but daily to beat on. And guess what? This is not good. Battery saver active. We need Kane's on the way. We're gonna get a jump. Battery is bad. I had jump this morning, almost not making in for some OT. But we're gonna wait on my jump this thing. Good thing there's a O'Reilly's over here. And I guess we're gonna go home daily to Cummins for a day. Not what I want to do, but currently waiting on my jump. And if you guys did not know, if you're not from here, oh, it's not gonna work. But it's literally 0 degrees, and I've been here for 10 minutes. It's kind of a shame, to be honest. Who cares? It's a hoopty. We're getting another hoopty tomorrow, though. Kind of stoked about it. It's a manual. It's the only thing I'm gonna tell you guys. Don't mind us. We'll just block the intersection here and get our old jump, and we're gonna head back over there. Don't mind us. Yeah, just give her a little tap. Maybe that's what she needs, Kane. Jeez. This thing's gonna save me or what? It's cold, I know that. Look at this 3.2 VTEC gonna save me. What in the world? This thing is warmer than what it was in here. I'm good, thank you. We got this thing revving up. Kane said he says he's gonna back to this light, entire light. So while we're sitting here revving this thing up, she's not happy, I tell you that. She wants a battery. Let's see. Holy cow. What do we have going on here? Oh my. This idiot over here just trying to fucking hit me, you know? Like literally. But we are here. We are here. Revving this rig up. I cannot believe that. She died. She did not like the old neutral drop. Well, I think we've seen better days. I think she's blown, boys. She's blown for sure. She is blown. This is out the motor. She's done. She's cooked. All right, guys. So we are currently hooked up to the gooseneck. Got to go get the Equinox out of the O'Reilly's parking lot. Some guy on a bike. That's pretty sick. And, all right, guys. So after loading up the old daily out here, it's on its last leg. We got her loaded up, cardboard strapped to try to get the oil off this thing at Quick Trip. I swear, O'Reilly should just sponsor me at this point. How many times we were in there. Strap needs a little bit more. But yeah, we got this cardboard. She's cinched down, doing her thing. This thing was not happy to start. We'll show you later, but it's gonna not be right shape, but you'll see. But we're gonna head home, unload this thing. Like I said, I gotta figure out what I'm doing. I gotta figure out what it really is. And we got some hot chocolate here at the Quick Trip across the street, and we're gonna head home. XA. We're where he was yesterday, and basically where I was yesterday, he was. Gotta jump the whole hoopty. See if she's got anything to give. Fucking, probably not.
Sophie?
Oh no, she's not happy yet. We shouldn't even waste our time. After about 20 minutes, I don't know. She needs some batteries. Did the old Coca-Cola trick on her. So, guess next stop's O'Reilly's. Spend my money that I don't have, you know. So, and it's snowing out again, of course. I don't even know how cold it is out, but I was not prepared for this today. Kane's got the old Pontiac out here. And old 2G started up. So, yesterday, as we know, my Equinox probably spit some rings and did some goofy stuff. Are you kidding me? Alright. So, yesterday that happened. So, I'm gonna be dailying this for about 10 days where I go pick up something. And, basically, so, thought it was the battery. Because this is what it's doing. Check gauges, won't hold a charge. You see the battery? She's not holding a charge because that's a brand new battery. And guy O'Reilly's hooked me up. That's all I'm gonna say. I should not have paid for what I did. And so here's the alternator. Closest one we could get was at AutoZone House Springs. So thought maybe it was the fuse because we jumped it this morning. Because I haven't been plugging it in, but I'll have to plug it in tonight. Get to work. So I'm going to head to Connor's shop. We're going to change that bad boy out. I'm going to put this fuse panel back on. They said that they've changed out 21 batteries today. And I know at the last one, they at least had 15 to 20 there. And yesterday, I know at the O'Reilly's I was at, they had 5 on the counter when I was there. So this weather is tearing people's shit up and costing everyone money. And 22 just walked in, so it's not good, guys. It's just not me, I guess, having bad luck. We made it to Connor's shop. Got this disconnected. This one's not even hooked up because I don't know if I need to get a load test on that. Get a little oil resin from ours, filling it up. We're gonna fill this up. So Connor's YouTubing, but yeah, we're gonna change her out real quick. But she is in here, looking slick. It is backed. Yeah, we're good.
She's charging.
She's back. Look at this old one though. That's shining. She's a little toasty.
Hey, it's all right. A little bit of brake clean. We'll clean this right up. We're gonna warranty return and get our money back.
We are. We gotta put the old fucking tube back on her, but let her charge up.
Yes, sir. Quick fix.
That was.
That's the first ever. Something that actually works out in our favor.
Hopefully she gets me to work though. 10 days. We just topped her off with some fuel. You know what I'm saying? Wiped her up. But she's definitely ready for this 10-day adventure we have.
Yes, sir. She's ready. She's fueled up. Got a little bit of that Rotel in her.
Yeah, so we really need to change the oil filter and the oil on this thing, but been lazy. Alright, so we finally plugged her in. Got some wood on her. We can't really lift the wipers up, but we're getting ready for this winter storm. I mean, I should have done this a long time ago. We you can't see it, but we got jumpers, a trickle charger. If we should be good. I hooked that other battery up. She went on the voltage gauge. She went down a little bit, then came up, but she's plugged in. So I don't think it was really a bad battery, but we do have a new one now. We paid 91 bucks for that Superstart Extreme. O'Reilly's manager hooked me up. So hopefully in the morning, if I have work, she's gonna start like a champ. So this is where this is sitting at right now. It's junk. She's unlocked. I don't even know what I have left in this thing. I gotta find the title for it because I'm trying to scrap it, but don't know where I have the title at. She's scrapped. She was really clean interior. We'll say that. Like really clean. Besides that on the seat, she was a good interior. I need to see if those WeatherTech floor mats fit my Cummins. Well, take this battery out and go return it, I guess. Get all that weight off this fucker thing. So, pop this up real quick. Take these out and do the deal, I guess. I just don't care anymore. It's junk. Just give me my shit. So, I'm gonna go get I think they're 10s, I want to say, for the battery, and return that. It's $150. I'll go help buy this door because this winter weather has just been costing me nothing but money. Like money. And it's not a good deal for me. Missed work today because the door wouldn't shut on my Cummins, so now we're out here. Old Duramax is warming up, taking Dad's truck. Got to top her off with some fluids that he's got back here. No, it's not tuned. Got some windshield wiper fluid, some DEF. Got to get some fuel. So meanwhile, though, I guess I'm gonna get in the garage. So I need to get one of these out, I guess, and that. All right, the winter weather strikes again, guys. I have to put this in the cab. It's partly frozen. You know, who would have thought? Oh, yep. So got this going in the cab to warm up. That one, I didn't think we really got that much out of it, to be honest. I mean, she's slushed up pretty good. And I've got her all over me now, and stuff does not like to come out. So I'm gonna go get this battery out, and hopefully we hit the road. Shut this hood, put that cap on, and we're gonna roll out after I get the battery out. So. Alright, so we got the cash. I passed up the bank, but luckily Quick Trip's got US Bank, so you know. Getting back in this hoopty. I guess we're gonna head to 111 Salvage, and hopefully we find one there. Because I do not know what I'm gonna do. And I still need to go buy this new daily. I've not done it. So I'm not happy. So I come around this corner, guys, and you're not gonna believe what I see. A 70s model C10. That is so hard to find around here. That one's got 80s, and I need a fender for my passenger side, but she's about the same as mine, but worse. No fucking shot, though. That was almost a good find. Jeez. Oh, full banger. We're out here, though, looking for a 2G driver's door. I guess I'm gonna check this unit out. I don't know if that headliner's out, but no good. So 2G is what we're after now. All right, so what he said, all the way back to the right or left, I don't remember, but this one was free to get in at least, so that's cool. Wonder what they'd give me for my Equinox, but then I'd have to tow it up here, and I don't feel like doing that. So we're gonna keep walking until we find these things, and hopefully we find a good one, because if not, I may hit up pick and pull. But other than that, I'm probably just gonna go home and buy me a new daily. The door was in a fire, all 1500, no tow mirror. It's all right, we'll switch her out, but got a few dents and dings on the chrome, but that pills up. They did have a sport bumper here, believe it or not, that coming back to get. Just gotta go get some power tools because it's a little cold, and this one I'm allowed to bring power tools in, so gonna go get that rig or see if they'll work me a deal, but I doubt they will.